Hey everyone, in this video, let's learn how to use On1 NoNoise AI through Apple Photos. Inside of Apple Photos, we're going to navigate to the image that we want to modify, and we're going to double click on it or hit enter on our keyboard. From there, we're going to head up to the top right, and we're going to choose Edit. In the editing room for Apple Photos, we're going to navigate to this menu here with the three dots. This is our extensions menu. We'll select this, and we'll head down to On1 NoNoise AI. It'll open the image up inside of NoNoise AI, where it zooms in to 100%. You can also use this preview bar here to preview the noise reduction that is automatically applied to your photograph. Now I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more, about 150 or so, that we can see all of that detail and all of that noise. You can see NoNoise AI is doing a phenomenal job at just removing all of that noise in our image while keeping all of those textures and details in that bird. Now, if we want to modify the noise reduction that's automatically applied, we can head over here to this noise and sharpening pane, where we can use these sliders here to adjust our noise reduction and our sharpening. I'm just going to add in a little bit of detail here, and I think my sharpening looks pretty fine just the way it is. So let's just head up to this apply button, and I'll lock these settings in by selecting apply. And I think everything looks great. So let's navigate to the bottom and we'll select done. And this will take us back into Apple Photos, where we can select save changes. And now if we zoom in here to the back of our bird, we can see it's removed all of that noise while keeping all of the details and textures intact.